One of the things that I like this class is we have a cohort-based in-person classes, so we can meet the students from the beginning until the graduation. So we have a very tight relationship among students and instructors. I can see more the interactions among students. I can see more the interactions between instructor and students.
And so, what courses do you teach in this program?
I teach mostly computer science 544, advanced software process, and computer science 545, software architecture design. In the process class, we study 4Ps, people, project, product, process. So process is very important components. Process tells how to work, how to build a software in which way you build, and what are the work products you have to produce, what are tasks you have to perform, and how they are all related to each other. So, and also how to assess your current process you're exercising in your company now, and what kind of thing you can improve comparing with some kind of standard models. And then we learn all those things. As a process proponent, I emphasize on process. It is very important to make a project successful and the product with the good quality. So if you have a good process, you have a high probability to produce better products. So it is very important to incorporate, institutionalize the good process into your organization and follow process and improve your process continuously. And the second class I usually teach is architectural design class. Architectural design is like shaping house. If we build a house, buildings, how we shape this, how the basic structures. So software also should have a basic structures. Otherwise, it's hard to maintain in the future. So the architectural design is very important for the especially expensive product and the life critical systems. So it's hard to change later without cost. So in the beginning, we have to carefully think all the factors to have a better architectural design for the process, for the software. And then you have to start with that architecture. And also we have to learn what kind of method we may use to build a good architectural design, what kind of techniques we have. So in the process class and architectural design class, my lecture is teaching principles, but the students should do practice through homework assignment. So this is very important thing to really practice all these techniques so they can really feel in, taste all the principles in the real world. So principle is not just the principle. We go back to this principle to learn all the basics and using these creative ideas to have a real product by building good architecture using a good process. So that kind of thing I teach.
So, what other advice do you have for students to be successful in your class?
Well, the students will become basically software engineer after this degree. There are many different levels in software engineers. Actually, this program is targeting those people who likes to become a lead, project lead and project managers. Students should study basic first, like programming. Without having these basics, they cannot manage their people well because they don't know how to estimate, how to plan the project, how to monitor and control their project without having this basic knowledge. So students should have a good programming skills. So before they join this program, we expect they finish the computer science degree in the undergraduate program, or they already have good programming experience from industry. And then through this program, they should have a good method skills to become a good high-level managers. So once they learn all this, they will be a very comparative professionals.